Say Chef Fede Bafetu, Chef of Expressions, back with another one. Today what we're making, we're doing a smoothie, right? So when you do a smoothie, normally you can use fresh fruit. So fresh fruit, if you're using fresh fruit, you can use crushed ice as well. So today I'm not using fresh fruit, I'm using frozen ones. You can buy this anywhere in your frozen aisles at the things, right? At the supermarket. So I have my fresh fruit here, just a cup. I have some yogurt in here, quarter of a cup. I have honey and I have milk. Any milk. You can use almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want. So now, and you need a blender as well. So you need a blender. It can be any cheap blender like I use at home, like a Philips blender. That is what I think is 600, 500 bucks, right? So what you're gonna do, you pour in your milk first, like maybe 200 mils or so. Then your honey, maybe 2 tablespoons of honey. Then your yogurt, and then your fruit. There we go. Close the lid first before you put it on, right? I'm blending on a high thingy. Ten seconds, 15 seconds, we're done. So now we can eat our breakfast buffet. This is your breakfast. There we go. Enough for 2 people. Tastes like a buffet. Excited. So buffet, to see you on the next one.